So friend, Samsung fans are not happy with how the company has handled the One UI 7, which is Android 15 update. One UI 7's official rollout will take place much later than any previous version of One UI, which has left Galaxy phone and tablet users wanting, and they have also been wondering if a delayed rollout will affect future version of One UI, particularly One UI 8. Multiple reports have claimed that Samsung is planning to release it much faster than One UI 7 and that it may even launch its foldable flagship in the second half of the year with One UI 8 based on Android 16 preloaded. And we have good news, our insiders have told us that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will indeed run the latest Android and One UI version out of the box. That will be Android 16 and One UI 8.0. If that's indeed the case, it's not far-fetched to think that the One UI 8 rollout for existing devices like the Galaxy S25 will start much quicker than One UI 7, and Google has plans to release stable Android 16 sometime in June or July of this year. So Samsung could launch the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 just a few days or weeks after the release of stable Android 16. And every year Google publicly showcases a new version of Android during the Google event. This year Google 2025 will be held on May 20 and 21, and we will get to see major changes that Android 16 will bring. And so Google has already released 3 beta versions of Android 16, and One UI 8.0 will likely adopt most major underlying changes and improvements that Google has introduced. And it isn't clear if Samsung will have a beta program to test One UI 8.0. If it does, the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the first in line to get the One UI 8.0 beta update. Samsung is already testing One UI 8 for the 3 phones. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.